Welcome to Christine Trends. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make money using AI. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills, experience, or expensive software. I'm going to introduce you to a simple tool that can help you start earning quickly online. Check this out. This person is making solid cash by doing a basic task. And look at this guy. He's pulled in over $7,000 just by offering AI rendering services. It's way easier than you think. So if you're looking for a new way to make money with AI, stay tuned because I'm about to reveal a little known strategy that you can start using today. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We are using an AI software called Wondershare Virbo to help us make money. This software allows you to convert photos into speaking photos, perform lip syncing for avatars, and even translate videos and sync the lips accordingly. The special thing about this software is that it supports 460 plus voices and languages. If you download the software using the link in the description and then open it, you'll see a very simple interface like this. Once the interface is fully loaded, you'll see a simple layout with an avatar displayed against a plain background. Before you get confused or overwhelmed by all the options, let me walk you through the features that are available on the left-hand side of the screen. At the top, you'll find the templates option. By clicking on this, a folder opens up where you'll see a variety of customizable video templates. These templates are designed to make it easy for you to start your project without creating everything from scratch. You can modify these templates according to your needs, adjusting elements like text, visuals, and layout. However, if you prefer to build your video entirely in your own style, you can simply skip using these templates and start from a blank slate. Moving down, right below the template option, there is a folder labeled Avatars. This section offers a wide selection of avatars to choose from, and they are organized into several categories for convenience. For example, you'll find groups such as men's avatars, women's avatars, marketing avatars, and more. These categories help you easily browse through and select the avatar that best fits your project's theme or subject matter. Whether you're creating a marketing video, a tutorial, or something else entirely, you'll find avatars that align with your vision. Next, below the Avatars folder, you'll see another folder titled Backgrounds. In this section, you'll discover an extensive collection of background options to enhance the visual appeal of your video. Just like the avatars, these backgrounds are also neatly divided into various subcategories such as popular, basic, simple, and 3D, making it easy to find the type of background that matches your needs. Whether you're looking for something minimalistic or something more complex like a 3D background, you can browse through the different options and pick the one that works best for your video's overall look and feel. Next, below the background folder, you'll find the text folder. Inside this section, there are numerous text templates that you can fully customize. When you click on any text template, the text will automatically appear on the video canvas where the avatar is displayed. You can then easily modify the text by double-clicking on it, allowing you to input your desired wording. On the right-hand side, a panel with various text properties will open up. By scrolling down a bit, you'll notice several options to personalize the text further. First, you can change the font style by selecting your preferred font from the drop-down menu. Below that, you'll see a black box, and by clicking on it, you can change the text color to match your design. Just underneath the text color option, there is a stroke width slider. This slider allows you to adjust the thickness of the outline around your text. Simply move it left to decrease the stroke width or right to increase it. Below the stroke slider, there's another box where you can change the stroke color, giving you even more control over the text's appearance. In addition to this, you can also modify the text background color, adding a layer of customization to make your text stand out against the video. Further down, you'll come across the animation section, which allows you to add entrance and exit animations to your captions. This feature helps bring your text to life by making it fade in or out, slide, or even bounce, giving the video a more dynamic and engaging look. At the bottom of the options menu, you'll find the import button. By clicking on it, you'll see an upload assets option. This allows you to upload videos, music, or images directly from your computer or mobile device, which you can then easily incorporate into your video. In the center, just below the video canvas, there's an empty space where you can write or paste your script. For example, you could write your script here or even use tools like ChatGPT to generate one. Let me demonstrate by writing something randomly. Below the script area, there are 5 different buttons: AI script, AI translation, pause, audio script, and add scenes. These features are incredibly useful for enhancing your script, translating it into any language, or adding scenes and pauses where needed. Let me explain how these features work. When you click on AI script, a new interface will appear. You'll see multiple options below the script you've written. With just one click, AI can make your script more engaging, professional, or even shorten it depending on your needs. Let's try clicking on the professional option and see what the AI generates. As you can see, the AI has taken our simple line and transformed it into a more polished professional version. You can also experiment with other options like expand or shorten to adjust the length of your script. Once your script is finalized, click on Apply to integrate it into the project. After that, we move on to the AI translation feature. This allows you to translate your script into various languages from around the world. Just click on it and you'll see a selection of nearly every language available. Pick the one that suits your audience and the AI will translate the entire script instantly. Next, you can select from hundreds of voiceovers by clicking on the appropriate option. This opens a new interface where you can choose the perfect voice to match your video. At the top, you'll first notice a language drop-down, which allows you to filter the voice options by language. After that, there's a gender drop-down. If you want a male voiceover, select male or choose female for a female voiceover. Then there's the scene section, where you can select the overall theme of your video. Options include product reviews, documentaries, storytelling, tutorials, podcasts, and ads, so you can tailor the voiceover style to match the type of content you're creating. Following that, there's a feature section which lets you fine-tune the voiceover by adding pauses, adjusting the speed, or modifying the pitch to make it sound just right. Once everything is set up, let's play the video to review how it looks.
Hey there! Step right up and enter the fantastical world of Christine's channel.
As you can see, the lip syncing and hand movements might not be fully aligned at this stage, and you'll notice a pop-up notification indicating that the full animation will be visible after export. So let's proceed with exporting the video. Now that the video is ready, let's play it and see how it looks.
Hey there! Step right up and enter the fantastical world of Christine's channel, where wonders never cease.
Wow! You can see that the AI has automatically matched the avatar's lip movements with the script and voiceover. It also added hand gestures that fit with the words, making the avatar look more real and natural. Now we can click on the download button to save the video. Now that we've learned how to create videos using AI, the big question is, how can you make money with this? Let me show you something. Now let's open Fiverr and search for AI Reels. You can see that only 867 people are offering AI Reel services, which means the competition is still low. When you check the reviews, you'll see that these sellers are getting a lot of orders and making good money. Let's open one of their profiles to see what they're offering. Look at this person's basic package. It starts at $10 for just a 60-second video created using AI, and they have 9 orders in queue. If each of those 9 orders is for the basic $10 package, they're making over $90 a day. Here's another seller with 5 orders in queue. This shows that the competition in this niche is low and the potential for earning is high. You can also start earning by using platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to offer your AI video services today using Virbo AI. Fiverr allows you to create up to 4 gigs, so you can diversify and offer services like video translation as well. You can see many people are making money by offering these same services, and the demand is growing. And there you have it. With Wondershare Virbo, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips that can help you generate income without needing any special skills or expensive software. Whether you're creating videos for businesses, social media content, or online courses, the opportunities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to make money online. And if you're ready to get started with Wondershare Virbo, click the link in the description below to sign up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.